Hello everyone, welcome to CAD-KMC tutorials. In this video we are going to design Allen key that you can see on the screen right now. So now let us begin it. Go to the file and select here the new part. OK. Now we'll go to the sketch and select here the front plane. Now we'll go to the line and draw the sketch. Then go to the smart dimension. Now this vertical line 55.8 mm and the horizontal 18 mm. Now we'll exit the smart dimension. Then go to the sketch fillet and give the fillet radius as 7.65 mm and select this corner. OK. And now we'll exit the sketch. Now we'll go to the sketch and select here the top plane. Make it normal. Now here we have to draw one hexagon. So select here the polygon, sides as a 6 and draw the hexagon like this. Now select this edge and make it vertical. OK. Now go to the smart dimension and distance between these opposite sides, that is 2.67 mm. And now we'll exit the sketch. Now we'll go to the features and select here the swept boss feature. Now here first we have to select the profile, and for that select here this hexagon, and second one here we have to select the guiding curve, that is the path. So select here this sketch. OK. Now select the part, go to the appearance, select here the metal, steel, and give it here the carbon steel and make it here plain white. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. For more videos on Solidworks tutorial, please subscribe to my channel CAD-KMC tutorials. Thanks.